Right now, marketing leaders are under immense pressure to integrate AI into their daily operations. The directive from leadership is usually simple. We need to move faster, and we need to produce more. Because of that pressure, it is easy to assume all AI marketing platforms serve the exact same purpose. The prevailing expectation is that these tools exist solely to generate maximum word counts with minimum human effort. But high-growth teams operating under that assumption are running into a headwind. They are producing massive libraries of content, yet their actual brand visibility inside modern AI search engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity is steadily shrinking. That disconnect happens because we treat tools like Copy.ai and GeoForge as competitors, when they are actually solving entirely opposite problems. Buying a workflow tool to fix a visibility gap leads to a misalignment between your team's efforts and the metrics that actually matter for AI search. Let's map out what each platform does. Copy.ai is an outbound workflow engine built to help teams scale ad copy and emails faster. GeoForge is an inbound visibility engine. Its focus is getting your brand cited in AI answers when buyers ask questions. This introduces a discipline called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. It involves managing brand citations and monitoring LLM sentiment, tasks that standard content generators are not built to handle. To understand which approach your team needs, we are going to evaluate both platforms across 3 practical criteria: the technology powering their knowledge bases, their distinct execution styles, and their pricing models. The choice between these tools represents a divide in marketing strategy, increasing your team's output speed versus securing your brand's presence in AI answers. An AI tool is entirely constrained by the data it has access to. The quality of your outputs will match the quality of your inputs. Copy.ai manages this through Infobase. It relies on your team to manually upload brand guidelines and documents. But as messaging evolves, static documents quickly become outdated, leading to generic AI copy over time. GeoForge uses BaseForge, actively ingesting live sales calls, expert interviews, and CRM data. The trade-off is friction. Integrating live data streams requires a heavier setup phase than dropping a PDF into a folder. That friction results in higher information gain. Generic manual inputs produce commodity content. Live proprietary data produces authoritative intellectual property that LLMs want to reference. When it comes to executing on that data, Copy.ai excels at speed. It's an engine for deploying sales sequences, generating landing page copy, and scaling outreach campaigns. It offers a robust workflow builder, connecting to over 2,000 integrations, dropping content directly into the tools your team already uses. However, that execution operates entirely blind to AI search platforms. Copy.ai has no mechanism for monitoring how large language models perceive your brand or describe your products. This radar chart shows how GeoForge handles execution. It tracks your brand's share of voice across ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews. It pairs that data with Siteforge, conducting strategic outreach to build external citations, signaling to LLMs that your brand is a trusted reference. Automating a 1,000 email outbound sequence solves an entirely different operational problem than engineering an LLM to actively recommend your brand to a buyer. The pricing models reflect the distinct objectives of the 2 platforms. Copy.ai offers an accessible entry point. The advanced plan is $249 a month for 5 seats. It provides excellent self-serve workflow automation, but heavy users must be aware it strictly caps usage at 2,000 credits per month. GeoForge is an enterprise-tier investment. The platform starts at $1,250 a month. For $2,500 a month, they offer a fully managed service with a dedicated strategist and absolutely no caps on content generation. Copy.ai gives you a low-cost software layer your internal team must operate. GeoForge provides a fully managed execution stack designed to outsource the problem entirely. To make the right choice here, you have to identify the single biggest bottleneck in your go-to-market strategy right now. If your primary deficiency is execution speed and your teams need high-volume outbound assets, choose Copy.ai. It connects directly to your CRM. Conversely, if you are losing market share because competitors dominate AI search responses, established brands must invest in GeoForge. Do not buy software based on the general hype of AI. Choose automation to cure a speed problem, and choose Generative Engine Optimization to cure a positioning problem.